Namaskaram from E Divine Souls. I, Dr. Meenal Jain, welcome you all to the world of Ayurveda lifestyle management. Today, let's understand Agni, its types, locations, and functions. Agni, as we all know, it's fire. There are various factors which participate in and direct the course of digestion and metabolism in us. Acharya shared the factors dependent on Agni are Ayu, our life, Varna, that's the color of the body, Bala, the strength in an individual, Swasth, that's our health, Utsah, that's the enthusiasm an individual possesses, Upchar, nourishment, and Prabha, posture. Cessation of Agni and the disorders of Agni in the body cause death and diseases respectively. Sutra 173 Ayu Varnam Balam Swasthasya Mutsahoपचर्यो प्रभा ओजस तेजो अपव्ययम प्राणश्चोक्ता देहाग्नि हेतुकाः शांति अग्नो भीयते युक्ते चिरम जीवत्यम नामयः रोगी स्याद्विकृते मूलम मग्निमस्तमसग्नि रुच्यते. Agni is considered as the root cause of the body, playing an important role in maintenance of health as well. There are 13 types of Agni in the body. Sutra 174. Iti bhautikadhan vannapatranam karma bhashitam bhautikah panch dhatvagnayaha sapt annapaktikah Chakrapani. Agni types 1 Jatragni, 5 Bhutagni, 7 Dhattvagnis. Jatragni is the Agni that accomplishes the digestive requirements of the body, Kayagni, as it stays near the Jathara or Udara stomach. Sutra 175 Kayagni Kaya Nirvataka Agni hai Jatharam Jatragni. Agni seed Grahani. Acharya have different opinions about Grahani. Some consider it as duodenum and some accept it as the region from pyloric end of a stomach to ileocecal junction. Jatragni digests food and stomach, it is like God. Due to its minuteness, it is not perceivable. Sutra 176 Jatragni Jathare Agnasya Pakta Jatharo Bhagvanishvaro Annasya Paktaha Pachko Rasa Nadananah Sokshmayad Vivektum Nev Shakyate. Sushruta Samhita, Sutta 35 or 27. Jatragni is the primary and most important Agni of 13 types of Agni. Other Agnis are Bhutagni and Dhattvagni are under direct control of this Agni. The increase and decrease of this Agni influence all other Agnis of the body. Sutra 177 Annasya Pakta Sarvesham Prakna Vadhiko Matah तन्मूलास्ते ही तद वृद्धिशयात्मकाः. Charak Samhita. In fact, most of the physical diseases occur due to disorders of Agni. Though there are innumerable diseases that may inflict man, but a good physician who is clever enough to maintain and preserve the normalcy of Jatragni can save the life of the patient. Jatragni does the Shangha Bhedana, splits the gross particle to finer ones, followed by the action of Bhutagni. Dhattvagnis are 7 in number, they are extinct in all 7 dhatus. This Agni is responsible for the nourishment of the respective dhatus. This Agni once more digests the already digested food products like Sara and Kitta. Sara Bhaga is essence portion, actually nourishes the concerned dhatu, and the Kitta Bhaga performs the waste product of that particular dhatu. Sutra 178 Saptabhi Deh Dhataru Dhatvu Dvidham Punah Yatha Swamagni Pakam Yanti Kitta Prasadavat. When the digested nutrients reach the Dhatuvaha Srotas, it is acted upon by the Dhattvagni, leads us to the formation of Sthira Dhatus, Upadhatus and Malas. Bhutagni are 5 types: Parthivagni, Apyagni, Tajagsagni, Vayaviyagni, Nabhasagni. After the digestion of food by Jatragni, it undergoes Bhutagni Pakha. Ingested food, even if digested by Jatragni, is like a foreign body to the mucosa of GIT. It needs one more transformation to get absorbed, which is done by Bhutagni. Jatragni digests the food while Bhutagni acts for releasing the qualities of food. Sutra 179 Bhaumapyagneya vayuvyah panchoshmanah sanabhasaah पंचाहार गुणान स्वान पार्थिवादन पंचंती him. Charak Samhita. In this process, no new matter is created. Already existing body entities are nourished due to the digestion of both Agni. This Agni is not capable of generating any new matter. It is capable of releasing the qualities on by the matter after digestion. Parthiv Agni, it digests the Parthiv type of food. Implies Parthiv Agni releases qualities of Parthiv portion of the Ahara, namely hardness, and provides to Parthiv entities in the body. It requires replenishment. Apya Agni releases qualities of Apya portion of the food, that is Dravyata, and provides to Apya entities in body and so on.